afternoon. Welcome. This is Jamia 2014 government past question. Question number 45 says the reason behind Nigeria's suspension from the Commonwealth in 1995 was dash. The reason behind Nigerian suspensions from Commonwealth in 1985 was that. When we talk of Commonwealth means association of ex British colonies. Yes. So option A say legal. Legal means that it was suspended because of law issues. B say political, that it is own to politics. That is why Nigeria was suspended. C economic, it means that Nigeria was suspended in 1995 because of resources. The socio-cultural, which is option D, means that it was the combination of social and cultural factors. So the reason behind the suspension of Nigeria by the British government is owing to politics, which is political. So option B is correct. Thank you, and ensure you subscribe for more videos.